Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Clerical, and today I'll be teaching you how to divide and multiply by multiples of 10. So what are the multiples of 10? Well, the multiples of 10 are basically 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, etc. So a neat little trick when multiplying and dividing by decimals is that you move the decimal place based on the number of zeros you're dividing by. So basically when multiplying, you move the decimal to the right based on the number of zeros. So if you're multiplying by 10, you move the decimal to the right one place because there's only one zero. If you're multiplying by 100, you move the decimal to the right two places because there's two zeros. And in the same way, when dividing, you would move the decimal to the left based on the number of zeros. For example, if you were dividing by 100, you would move the decimal to the left two places because there's two zeros in 100. And if you were dividing by 1,000, you would move the decimal to the left three places because 1,000 has three zeros. So first, let's look at some examples when we're multiplying by a multiple of 10. So let's look at the first example, 3.45 times 100. So first we notice that 100 has two zeros. So we would move the decimal place to the right two times. So first we'd move it once, so it becomes 34.5. And then we'd move it one more time, so it becomes 345. So our final answer is 345. And now let's look at the second example, 45.6 times 1,000. So 1,000 has three zeros, so we're moving it to the right three times. So first let's move it to the right once. So it becomes 456.0. And then let's move it to the right again for the second time. So it becomes 4,560.0. And now we have to move it a third time. So it becomes 45,600. And that is our final answer. And that's how you multiply by multiples of 10.